I'm back with my another video on LeetCode SQL problems and solutions. In the previous video we solved 3 easy level of problems. In this video also we are going to solve 3 easy level of problems. We'll start with patients with the condition 1527, then 1581 and finally 1587. Before we start, I request you all to please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको फ्यूचर में जो भी वीडियोस मैं अपलोड करूँगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे and you will get a lot of benefit. So let me start with this video. Something is problem. So we have patients table with patient ID, patient name and conditions. Write a solution to find the patient ID, patient name and conditions who have type 1 diabetes. So here we have the input table and here we have the output table. In the output we want div 1. So here we use like operator of SQL. Select patient ID, comma patient name, comma conditions, from we have patients table where conditions like div 1 or conditions like div 1 which includes the div 1. Let me run this. Accepted. Now let me submit this. Wrong answer. What is the issue? Order by patient ID. Let me do. And let me do submit. So I think this one is if I remove this condition and now if I run it, it will be wrong. Only one output it is giving me. Okay, there should be a space, I guess. Now let me run it. Now let me submit this. I think now it should be correct. Correct. So there was a space. Now we have another problem. Customer who visited but did not make any transactions. So here we have visit table, visit ID and customer ID, transaction table, transaction ID, visit ID and amount. Write a solution to find the IDs of the users who visited without making any transaction. IDs of the users. And input table, output table, we want customer ID. So let me just write in the select query customer ID, comma, number of transactions. So we can simply write count star as count number of transaction from visits table as v left join transactions table t on v dot visit id equals to t dot visit id, where t dot visit id is null. Group by 1. We run this query. Why we are using t dot visit id as null? Because here we are saying we want customers who visited without making any transactions. So t dot visit id should be null. Now let me submit this. Accepted. Let's go to the next problem that we have. Last problem, bank account summary 2. Here we have users account and name, transactions with transaction ID, account and amount, and transacted on. Data should report the name and balance of users with a balance higher than 10,000. The balance of an account is equal to the sum of the amounts of all the transactions involving that account. So we want name and balance. So let us just write select name comma sum of amount as balance from users table view left join transactions table t on u dot account equals to t dot account. Group by let me use one having sum of amount. Here we are giving greater than 10,000. That is why it was the name and balance of users with a balance higher than 10,000. The balance of account equals sum of the amount of all transactions involving that account. So group by account, let me do u dot account. Now let me run this. Accepted. Let me submit this. Accepted. So finally we solved the 3 problems. In the next video I am going to solve another easy level difficulties, that is 1633 percentage of users attended a contest, average time of process per machine, fixed names in a table. Till date, happy learning, enjoy, all the best, and please like my video, subscribe to my channel. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए so that you will be notified. आगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे for any future videos that I am going to upload. Thank you.